kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Erwin's aim ke sutnga ubadai unong ya side an bapau jong ke jilla bar ubadai ru chairman jong ke Joint Action Committee Border of Meghalaya ha baya keren bat kila pathai khubor ha ka baya dei bat kam khaput ula ong bakat kum ke kaipot jong SDO ha ka por phareng lapau baki jaka jong ke block 1 bat block 2 ki hap hapo ke jilla Meghalaya ha ba keren kila pathai khubor ha ka singi benengkong jong ke tayo uba Erwin ula ong baka Shai baka jela Assam kala sukni jubor ye ki jaka jong ke jela Meghalaya bat kani baro kadai namar baka sarkar MDA kala fail ula ong bala da ka jak bom kala aban yo ye ki kot kisla ke babiang ha ka baya dei bat upur usam kumno ka sarkar kamla aban yo ya ki te ki kot bat kadai ka kamram jong ki nongmi khmat baki dei ban pule kot bat ti benia halor kane ka kam Hagabaya day bat ka Jingkren jong sumbut menteri rangba ka jela uba Prestone tinsong ubala ong ba ki arpo ardli ki snong ki baha papo ka block 2 ki day jong ka Assam nakaliang jong ba Erwin ula ong ba ka Jingkren jong ba Prestone ka pen Shai ye ka Jingleh bam Suidñiew ka jong u ye ka Jingkwah bat ka Jingsngo jong Paidbah
Hagani ka Jingkot ka jongi ya ka press briefing ya ka halor ka kam border bat ka kam bala ada file ka writ petition ru na kaliang ka jakbom bat ki nong charge nong bat ki try nong nang tu apo ka Meghalaya High Court ka jingkmi ulti ka jongi ka long ba ngin file ka petition sipo Supreme Court Harai hobuna July usain malem jirang nong ating sim nong spong bat usuda nong lang kilay sa Supreme Court. Bahadir magkilalay sa Supreme Court ni dang hapreng ka jing pangkray ki court isla ni dang pangkray ka petition ni again dang stone. Ni yo ay ka jing tip ba ka Supreme Court kala reject ya petition. Bat ka pha ki ban sa Meghalaya High Court. Halor kani ka nong rim ni i ba ki CM man kani kila file tambah kalong ba ki file tang samut biang hi. Te halor ka nongrim pada bangi ngila asyam mekarai ban file ke petition ngiro ngila file ke petition haga negatif ko lada haga singi baat bat la list ka kum ka writ petition number 502 of 2020 kani ketika ayo jongka High Court ka case number ketika 1 WP in bracket C stroke 502 stroke 2022. Te hadu pengiyo ikan ni empat allocate ya ka case haga court ndai hadin pada ngi sutu ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala file ya ka appeal haga tu ka case jong kisim kala file ya ka appeal sa division bench but haka sini Friday la mention ya ka case po division bench but la community ba in place ya kani haka division hapa ka vacation bench tam sula play yang kakut hakini ki hopuna January wat la kadai ka positiru nomor ka matter of urgency ka don hi te ngi community ba nyo place ya kani hak mat ka vacation bench na kwa ban batai Shai phi ba ngi klem kwa ban lech ka court klem da biang ki court isla buon kila ya ki Paidbah tam ki bom sutu ki bom tip ya ke ki jing sisang nga kwa am pachai mi ka singi ba ngila ya Prestone ngapan ai ka jing ai khule ya ka team ka jonga ki jong ba basuk lang khongwar advocate kong Agnes Duya advocate but i legal paralegal assistant ni jongi ikong Rosa ba kile Prestone rengkat bat ka tim ko jong hadali nabar kam dei bangim don ka tim hadali idon rogi Supreme Court lawyers hapo ajing baik jong manusia uniu Abhishek Manu Singli u Prestone Sen senior advocate u Ranveer Singh advocate u ya rapi bat kibai bat nalor kata kamtam kecil Prestone jong baras secretary MPSO ke belit merek keleng sodong bapen poi kot isla Iba jana kamtam iba estancing jana nong bet I sedar jong nong ba motomur iba la ai pun ki kot ki bela yarap hai ni bat kadon ki jinjar mudah poka ima ba motomur bat ki wei area ki pangin ya yu ngin saya pencai pit ke shwa bangan ya chi sakapang kani ka ka kopi jong ka repetition ngila tres ya ke history jong ka put usam nadu ka por paren kat news ba nyo kun re tarta ngila airu iki notification jong ka sarkar pare ka baki transfer ya kini ki areas napo ki Hima kasi siapo ka Kamrup district ka por paren ngila Kamrup ya ka jaka kamtam menta ba hadin ke jing tristam bat ka bor jong ublay ka bolu kurku yang iba ula isnai ya ka apot jong gajai menreu ba ngiyo menta da ka jing tristam jong ba maina sing pelot MDC jong kan artiam konstitusi bermencuat pengaplit api ya kane kasabut ke bas kamtam ya ki jaka ki bangila du kane kade kamap ke bakat praspa kendai penreu kabala draw kabala peni da usurvey general jong British India kabagade ka wei ni ki nongrem kan ongi piang ni ka pasai ka wei na ki nongrem ka ba kat kendai spa propulai hapden ke Jingkren hiteshwar saikya au kapten sama ba hiteshwar saikya kila kren ya kane kum ka nongrem badon kamban simya kini ki pot sodong nomor kini ki poi saduk sarma ki poi saduk ko hati ki poi kalen sodong kamtam ya ke area ka bahap apa ka blok 1 blok 2 kala kedo Shai ba ka hap apa Khasi Hills district kani shwa bakin penpai paria bande ki kam ki bakila le ka notification ba si ja kendai spa san puwe kani kama kade ke nuksa ka basai kadar menta kamtam ba kakatu kasngi ka bangila ya kenduk mo ba jana bat manga gila ikenduk yo additional director jong ka Meghalaya survey bau ong ni ki khasi jong ni ki pom judon kot dan sa ki busia kam da ktin busia kam do ma hang ni nga ong I pi klem le ka homework ka jong pi ba bat ka sarkar MDA ro ka klem le ka homework ka jong ka nomor ba ki deliberations ki Jingkren ki Jingtai ki balong benia ki de hakani ka report ka bakat nice pak propulai ka bangalmo balai baki pediam yang kata kat nice pak katway te kendai pak katway la da penyap da resolution jong ka Meghalaya assembly baki ong don kam manpha sia ka central government bakan rai ka central government ni hakani ka propulai kalau long detail hadu kata na sutra ba itu ipi ba kilong shwa manswa ki jongi kamtam nadu kapten sama ba bring ter ba lapang la de pipet ya ka jingtrai ki jongki ki sebut ki jingtrai ki jongki ki suthu bamlong man kata ya ka aka ka bala man kala ka tingba ka ban thang ka jai benre ki jongi hanrei ka bang sutra ba ha ka ni ka report ka map khat khandai spa khat praspa khandai kunreu ka dei ka wei ka nongrim ka ba ki ong dek don kam na pusu hanrei ngapai hang ni wasam ukalain chikalain tre ban accept ekate ile umno ni wan ra ekani ka map ha ka Meghalaya ko badan borom macam ngamkwa ban lek ngamkwa ban kentho ke ka bala ban long ka jing kentho ka ba kata ka kes ka jong hapo Meghalaya ko nomor ki ong bagade subjudice andrai ngasukwa ban pentip yo Paidbah jong gari baka kam kala po ka kot ngidon ka jing sanya ka papura ka Meghalaya High Court mangilai I ba kani ka state ka jongi ladam don show ka Meghalaya High Court lakot menengi modi prime minister modi ongkom do 1,000 crore la pelot iki surok ki national highway ki surok hapo kani ka state denam kapasusi ka lomba ka Meghalaya High Court ka kes kadang don Meghalaya High Court nomor porok surok lajot lut borok surok lajot lut lain nang ni hajwai ni balai be ka kes juai ni be ka kes wat kasurok nong stain dok lasang nong train deh kalian ti juai le na ya kerja kalian ti posor pe ke baca han reisan jar krola de pelai dekane ka de rukom trekam jong ka sarkar MDA ka balong threat copy paste ko mangal om chua copy paste ya karai ka bak assembly kat kendai spa kat way karai ya ka boundary issue ka bala kentai ka assembly kidang pelongkam ya kan ni pada ka badon lot kicing sisa kimia keren ya kan ni temanta haba pim tra ekran ngin se ekran hakut petition ka bangi file ngan pulih pitang ya ki mat kiba ya ka prayer ka jumi yung in the premises of aforesaid your lordship may be graciously be pleased to A. Declare the Memorandum of Understanding dated 29/03/2022 as violative of the constitutional provisions and in particular 6th schedule and be declared null and void. Declare all the executive actions taken by the Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya pursuant to the Memorandum of Understanding MOU dated 29/3/2022 as null and void as having no constitutional validity. Ngan sa point sa constitutional validity. Direct the two Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya to be restrained from diluting the areas covered by the 6th schedule by resorting to extra constitutional measure. Nomor kini area kini part and parcel of Khasi states. Khasi states fall under the 6th schedule. D. Direct the Union of India to appoint, constitute an interstate council under Article 263 of the Constitution to resolve the long pending dispute between the two states of Meghalaya and Assam in according with constitutional means within reasonable time frame or pass such other orders as your lordship may deem fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. Nganum lek saka detail nomor boleh kani kadang day ka deliberation kadang day ka ban ya saat kadang day ka ban ya penbek ya pok kakut nganum keren kiba ngan keren tangi ka ka ban ipan mani. The representatives of Meghalaya during discussion held the strong view that such an interpretation is limited in as much as de facto position would mean only the areas falling within the boundaries of the erstwhile Khasi and Jingleh Hills district and would be the territory under Meghalaya and not the areas known as the Khasi states as specifically mentioned in the Constitution. The constitutional provisions of the areas known as the Khasi state would be superfluous if the contention of the Assam side is accepted as correct. The Assam side stated that as this matter would necessitate interpretation of constitutional points, the matter may be discussed in a higher forum. Bale, the original description jonga Khasi Jingleh Hills district hakatu por kadai ki erstwhile Khasi states but ki British area. Kabamot, without taking into consideration what has been transferred, the orders transferring the areas into the district of Kabru, Haji Shah, by the instrument of accession, they have become null and void. Therefore, the status quo as per the 1896 map stands. Nalor kata, kilaong ba, vi nomor beli ka boundary jong Khasi states, ka boundary jong ka ayu, kadaiba in the original 6th schedule ka para 20 ka describe iki boundaries claim da don ka like no tang ya ka like no hadim pada ki amen biang nomor beli la ot how kat kandai spa san huai la ot ya ka block 1 block 2 napo Jingleh district. The constitutional position is that hakapor balawan ke Indian Independence Act, Section 7. Hadir balasai ke Section 7 ke all existing treaties and sanats with existing tribal chiefs or authorities would lapse. Telah lapse. So, the position, the status quo, ke restore ke status quo ante, ke pre-status quo, kemut before the British took over. Kemut the map of 1896. Kata-kata legal position. Now, habaki ong the boundaries ka para 20 hagato ko por yaga discount ka ong as per the boundaries of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills district and the Khasi states. Kata-kata portion that has to be defined. Ndai kata the constitutional aspect kabang ihap along very clear kalong ba. We were included in India only by the process of the instrument of accession and annex agreement and constitution. There was no merger. Hey, there was no merger. Therefore, the status quo ante at the period before 1896 and on the basis of the map of 1896 has to be the starting point of discussion. There can be no 2 points about it. Kamdam sudah kumiganti. Ni hapan discuss ba iya kan ni point. Nomor hang ni lakdaw Shai kini area Khasi Jaintia Hills. But kila kentup lang niya ki Khasi States po 1896. Hindi bagi kilong outside ki Khasi States. The whole of the district kila kentup kayo. Hindi tangata ki notification ki ba hadin ki 1878 ka notification ka 1921 kani hadu 90, this has been corrected up till 1910. Nang ta hakani lagi ki pen iba ka loop kapoy hadu sama river. That means this whole area it comprises kanika di Khasi Jaintia district ki bangi omata ki riboy ka Jaintia Hills terter ke West Khasi Hills ke Bakta sa tayo malam kana kamay kuli Bakta po riboy district. Dengan apa pun ke block 1 and block 2. Ke block 1 and block 2 kisah ka dengan notification calculate pa sampuwe. Kai error ni. Ke paragraph 14 jong ka 6 schedule ka prescribe badai bandon ke commission of inquiry. Suapa pin pihak kerja. Hatu ko ngimpat don discount solo. Kaji kali ke jonga kalomba, sanu kata ka report jong ka 1951 commission of inquiry. Kabau governor has to act as per the constitution kamta mabu kuni eka tribal land ke jong. Hadu matang amios ngoba manu ban kali where is the report of the inquiry commission. Kat kom ka cingtip ke jonga. Namar kini kot kislah ki don cepo asa. Ngimpat yo la tam ngidang clear mata ban yo itu. 4 dep ke tu commission of inquiry. It is still pending. Hangjo ko pori ka block 1 ka 1957 survey kada. Hane nga kwa banbu ba kadon sa ka report u hit USDO. Hagapor pare. Kadon ba nga mata? Kilisyon. Kadon ba nga mata? Kabala indicate baro ki areas jong ka block 1, block 2. Bagi hak apa kerja di Hills District. Aduh apa? Tangan daw, benta kai ka mga don kambanong kalong ba. The 1951 notification 13 April 1951 is in fact an illegal notification. Number nobody has been made aware of the Commission of Inquiry report. What did it say when they were going to transfer this? Kani ka report yung hit kadi 1883. Kani kamday tangka ka basuong ba Erwin. Kini substantial proofs bangidon ka ba ki areas ki jongi lasu kini iki. Barkato ka mga seyo. 3,000 hanggang 4,000 square kilometer. Lalay so asam. Usyong halar kito nang tao soong. Ngin IP ka nemo. Ulong pek kumurong hayeng jonga. Usyong ha kamera tiya. Usong nga ngan sa IP ni kamera song ka jong bikin dia masuk ni. Pek kum ta. Mdan mlat nang ta. Mentah ka ka jing ka jongi kalong ba ka sarkar MDA. Kala feeling totally. Lanangaw riu pa ba ka jakbom ka private organization. Gila ba niyo lut kini ikot. Kuno ka sarkar kamtip igini. Kikrami la huma. Kikrami pula ikot menmit. Kena yung menmit. Kata-kata kising kali ka bangyapan kali. Kung ki public representatives ni expect bakin krekot. Kinwat ikajing sisa. Te ngai ke don sekretariat hadu kan obje te hadin kata pada kia layu. Kata kecil kali ke ba ki Paidbah ke haban kali. Nomor suap pimi Paidbah suap pimi kena buat asam. Bila ada men ompek kani ke position ke sungai. Ya kata da kapupuram yu kapten sama kapupuram ba bring puram yu balapang terter ki chief minister ki bila ki yang baik ki nong rem jong ke constitutional position ke sungai ngadong jua. Hakapur ba ka Chandrachur committee. Ka submit ke report ke Jingleh. Ka Meghalaya claim priang nomor boleh claim take into consideration ni ka constitutional rights ke jumi. Therefore that report became null and void. Hagajo ka kom do khat kandas pa khat wai ka ba kini ki copy and paste. Ka MD government ka Sushim, it just took the recommendation 1911, copy paste, and then went into a negotiation with Assam at the mercy of the Assam government, at the mercy of Himanta Biswa Sarma. What is the result? The result is psychic terrorism. Balik on psychic terrorism. Mukro, today is 1 month. 5 lives were lost. 6 with that forest guard who was accidentally shot by them. 5 of our people, precious lives of our people were lost underground. Their blood has flowed. It has soaked the ground. This is why I say psychic terrorism. You sit on our land. You encroach more. You shoot our people. And then you say that this is your right. Kata kadi ka ika kapasay madam. Pi kani ika jaka ka jungi. Pi ong he ngin ai naka jaka jung pi ngin ai. Pi turbiang kiele persa gibri jungi. Pi siap yap eki ka pre ka snam. Kadi ka psychic terrorism ka baka state of Assam. But ka MD government they have placed us under. Ngakuat kan saya kedar kani. Baka failure jong ke MDA government kalong clearing kalong syaba palat. Namar kata kadau ngakuat bagi Paidbah jong ke khasi jantia ki Paidbah nyokrep kin sotho ba ngidon ki kot kisla ngidon ko ba ngi hap banya tali banya le kani. Kajoro Garu Hills. In 1983 the discussion for Garu Hills was still going on. But why is it in the 12 areas identified for discussion, for agreement, for solution between Assam government and Meghalaya government, no consideration was taken of the questions of Garu Hills? When the right hand does not know what the left hand is doing, then the head becomes confused. Habang ketika man ganti ketika kadiang kala ayu, teka king ka janar. Namar kata kadau bangapoy biyang siya to kapoy. Yes, they have been transferred by the notification of 1951. But the conditions of conflict, the conditions of refusal, the condition of right, kini kini exist. Kabamut lada day ubah Prestone ukrekot. Haka ni ka prapulay lada lead on it. Kikren ni ka transfer. Lada keren dah. Tambah ki ong in the meantime kan lek ka survey, kan don kata ka examination of documents, kan don kata ka proses mo kan ya. In the meantime, both governments will exercise their authority for development works. Where ya ka convenience yung kita Paidbah. Lari ki kuat balik Assam ke biang, kuat benwan sini. Kira kelak kata. Now categorically, by his statement, the Deputy Chief Minister, with due respect to him, has shown his ignorance of the Constitution. He has shown his ignorance of the ground realities. He has shown an ignorance of the 5 principles they have set: historical perspective, administrative convenience, ethnicity, desire of the people, geographical contiguity. Desire of the people is very much there. He should not have made that statement. You see, because you are violating your own principles, which you have set. Today you speak one thing, tomorrow you you speak another thing. This is not leadership. This is political convenience. Political convenience which is party-based. Only for the sake of winning elections. Politics is not only winning elections. Politics is not only government there. No, politics is also proper administration, proper defense of the right of our minority people. I just want to tell Prestone that if he does not have the papers, if he does not have the administrative capacity to complete the task, you please allow us to do it. You please allow us to do it. Because this question is a question not only for the present generation of Meghalaya, it is a question for the numerous unborn generation that will come. Kataru kila take into consideration properly. Okay? Hajing sisa kan OEP ka ika bangi kren bangi menta. Kadai ka ika baki ramba ki jongi kila dap ya thar kila dap ya ther kila dap ya perkhat bat ka shulong no baka asam ka pene. Retransfer of Block 1 and 2 of Karbi Anglong District. It was pointed out by the Meghalaya side at the meeting of the Chief Ministers of Assam and Meghalaya held on 10 September 1971. It was agreed that in deciding the issue, the comparative population of Mikirs Jaintias should be accepted as guiding criterion. Therefore, it was further decided that the population figures according to the census 1951-1961 of Mikir and Jaintia Hill population of these two aforesaid blocks be collected. However, not much progress can be achieved in that direction so far. Kita pendapat, cutrai tangdat subsequent government. Habal ong yang kata ke report uhid kata. 1898 kala indicate clearly where were the Karbi villages and where they were not. Where were the Jaintias, the Lalungs, the Nongpulut, Terter, Kidonlot. So the way I want to tell my Karbi friends, I have spoken about this on many occasions. The Karbis also have been victims of victimization of the Assam government. Their homeland is Kaziranga, the Lomding Valley. They were uprooted from there and pushed towards our side in order to suit the political and administrative exigencies of the government of Assam. So I am requesting them, take a look in the proper perspective. What is ours is ours. What is yours is yours. But Block 1 and Block 2 is not yours. Categorically, I am placing it on the basis of document. On the basis of the 1896 map. It is not yours. And in fact, if you go to the point of right, the 1951 notification itself speaks. They had to transfer it out of Jaintia Hills. If it was Mikir Hills or the Karbi Anglong, why did they have to transfer it out of Jaintia Hills? So the 1951 notification itself speaks. And we have to strike down the 1951 notification. And then later on, let us see a policy of give and take. It's not only, you said, Piongkat no teligis, no?
22.
22 is not 22. With due respect to the Chief Minister, to the Deputy Chief Minister, it's not 22. The whole contingent of villages is around 89. During E.K. Molong's Chief Ministership, I forgot to mention Mr. E.K. Molong. This was ascertained that there are about 89 villages. Block 2. That is not taking into consideration Block 1. Bangi klam siong thai. Ngi suthu baka kes kanum klaim dalam ngi yo ikot kisla ki babiang. Temata ngi suthu ba kumbakalong mentaru ngi nakaliang kajungi kan kata. Mendai nakaliang kakut. Nakaliang kajungi ngi la persyang ban thep ya ka kes ka baklaim tam kat bangila. Karai jong kakut kata kasyong kakut nimdon e ba. Ka sagawai pada ruk ngakwa ban petip iki Paidbah ba nginum syok thai. But let's say ngampat yo ekrem begini perlok ndrei let's say yo kala ade kapor bagi nyami madandro namar ngila suthu iba lemda ngi penbet ya kani ka proses ka administration kani ka poda kani ka corruption ka ida ka political process ka bagi yo ka sarkar thamai haga khat kendai spa aga arjar arpulai te kini kijing nginang ya kenduk nak kapor te khamtam khnamba nginya pengkut haga sur jong Jingkren nga ai kulai Christmas so ebro nga ai kulai Christmas ba kajing kerku kodo kan wan nu blai ba kajai benriu kan nam klain kajai benriu kan nam Shai ba nginya persangkat balak ban mandra swai kajing tuli nomor ko ba long benda kani ka psychic terror ka weki le halor jong hi khamtam ba ki kne ki jaka ki pata jong hi kadai ke ai ka penduk thia penduk dah bana kerpat ki khamtam ki tu ki ba empat dah sungtu bahai kini kam jam ro ba kin pulut por ban puli kin pulut por ban wat ki jisha kin sungtu biang yang thit ba jong kajai benriu ba ngi dei kajai benriu ko kerpang ba la dengi kelat ya kani hakata kajing ya sko mo ni ya sko la long chakmat la long modern la long yu ngi kelat no ya kanong rim ko jong ni ko kajai benriu aje kmi te stangkat no in salong merau nomor ba kinong pelong merau yang ni kim dei tang kita keyboard na bar kita ki breu ki jong ni ki businessman ki yo ban rom po sekretariat ki nong mi khmat ki bom juk record ki nong mi khmat ki ba ha jaka ba kin pulut por ya ka jingbah jingmiat ka jingrai ka jai breu ki pulut por ban ya keren ki kontrak ban ya keren ki lan cushion ilan compensation ki ya pulut por ban ya tahu kita ki smart meter ki ya pulut por ya ka tahu kau ban ya penjak kau ter ki nambun ki itu ngam kuat ban keren palat mata kasi mereka sulong nak ba nak kalian ke jong iru ni hapan chem ke jingit kre ban pan sutu ya Paidbah bat ni pan sutu
Hadian bai Sherman jingi la batai iki issues ki bu ta ya khalau sia teng sudan tang ban ya banrap ka to kan ni ka komya nanti joki politician ki jongi kaban kong kabang ngi i Jingkren ben dara de la de ngalap kinambi khmat ki MLA da kubrom ki MDC jongka parti NPP da kubrom ki jo ambang dan kam shu ke history ki am klet history yo ta yo tedak menakan ni badak mai kendu ko besar batrai sustain uang bom tak sing ke disney Kasnishti jo Wycliffe si. Wai kita po wik. Tangga tayo di wis I sumbo perkat ibang pasat. Ya gitu kepresian ki bakaran lak kiti. Di bawah klat no history. Ngai ka jingya dan ti jong ke parti BJP da guburom. Ngala ongro hak personal message ngapa si bahak. Ba si Arnes. Haba kilat ya kendu himen tabaswa sama sepasa. Haka beda bijing jam bukro. Ki ong ba ka we ni kitu ka balong konflik ka banganga action ka jingmut ka ngalong. Maki ong bo human ta baswa ong bala ja baka proof sa baka ni ka mukro ka ha apo ka mekhalya hapo askanta an weng no iki asam forest. Kim lai ang khmat him ta baswa. Haka jika begini man ong bet ka we ka konsensus ka demand joki kalong ba. Kwa ka BJP jo ka mekhalya. Ban toket CBI siapa amikalaya dekat kum kerja kuat jingi kuat dak enai ban toket kabar kuat ke BJP ke jong amikalaya badai ban transfer no ban weng no ya kan ka Assam Forest ke badan hapok mukro sabar kita ban pedi kum kita ke demand ke bakilong sincere nam takari ba jaban rio haba kila yang ti kia kra ni ka ingim sutu ka ka outcome ka bami yang tu ka pen arti ni tengah bu jingkili kan balai balai ikan du usik mistar ba sa atau balai pemlai ikan du ikon dak sama kanil kalau ka ba sa ka jingdom te ka bang I nakal tia jing polisian tengah bu akan dikum ka apil kan ki politikal partis banai sim ka bu politics hak bade ke isu ngir ngim sim kran ban ya ngono parti handangi kedau ya ka bangilap ya sisia dang man hakatu phe kendu yu himata besua konrat sangma kia batai sapang bandai ban maintain status quo kamot yaki development jia yu tak dang lai tayo menta hapo umsa lum de basno wasam forest ula de kerek fencing la srim kumba wasam na khalia la snu kumba de Bangladesh na kami i kai action na si ibhe ngi bakile ki police to na ki jing shot twat jing ki biro to dengan kami i nang tu kami sakari action baba Prestone uang ba kam dai ka jaka ka bahap sumi khalia kani nang tham pija si su i kam sibi je ben rio tina bu ahni kum ka jingkar pa bada suran kam sisa kum bala batai sharma jingi ngilong ki bala klo ben pusisa ko sla ngan namla ban ong klem ai khlei kar pang se what you la let nes ka dua jong play ba ike molong chief minister ka report ki jong ba ike molong uba form ni ka bodar committee kalong ka bada ihon kumbal batai chairman mene pra tali kisno ki ba po blok tu Adrai Prestone kalau tak apa, kat kum kikot ka report jeng ba ike molong dan pra tali kini ki nang ta sakwe dong dan ka message sa ka district council namar ka khendau ka tungku ka jingpet ya ka tungku ba district council so bah bakan pikir bahaya kan iro ngikwa da ko burom ba ki jaka jongi ki de bandan be bangi ba ka wamot kalong ba ka jaka ka bar penkup bo de ka sik sedel kan sa makum ba kalong ka MOU mata ka bangi fai persya ya ka MOU ka basain de ka government me khlia wasam kalong persya ya ka sik sedel persya ya ka artikel ka ba khat saw persya ka artikel ka ba arfuai kitong ko dengan mata da ngakwi inti bakal sikul ka ba pet ya kanu ka siap kan pet bahai kan ban bakala ya kendiat sekata ka banta ka bun ngala de blok akting leng do aja Hima sayong ngatip ban hadu kasnam khat khandai spa antu puai ar photore jujunori kadon ka jing prisya jo district council baka nongwa motamor ka ha po ajing pet jang Hima sayong dengan i baka don untuk konflik baki le kai ban ong batal spa sewi Hima mai lai ha bakale para Hima kasih kamadon hanu Hima ro tanda anda filai lai sapok kakut ka ban musyaram kot sla nalapet ikut sla ka kedau ka kerteng ke jong do tekanir de ka wen ki banta wat hak ba joy hakasnam khat khandai spa prapulai da kam bakala hakakot ka bang yok ban pule kamut la pun sisa bakal ka hap support mi khalia tikini ki kilong ki bagi dia hap ban besar ba ban nemle kelomar anda la poi support ka yang besar kan selam bakala namar ngingi yang kanong rem ba si ka jakar kam de ban lai sekiwe pe kijala bat ngingi nem ku atam ni iki jokiwe kita kilong ki sembo perkat ki bang sibuk lengkot ni bat om de tangata ki bongi ki bangadan ban bendak kendia Bidan wat ki ipik jok senam arjanio. Fila bangai baka ulu beri jok asam kahap sa Hima na wa matamor. Ka ipik kadanda. Rengkam menyelesai kot sela. Asa ka jing besar ka seri ngin selesai kita kot sela. Nengapu ka api kan buat Prestone ba plima. Uang bom dan kot dan sela. Te kot kan yangi. Kot kan sim karim. Kot kan yu sim. Sim right. Nongtung. Kot kan yiki sim. Kisaraship. Ban lom ikot sela. Dikata kalau ka apil kejongi hakan ka. Kablesh.